Like the letter P.
P.
There, nasunod sa line. P. Another letter P. Another P.
P. P.
Letter L. Like this. Like this. Letter L. Huy. Here ba? Here. No. Letter L. Huy. Here ba?
Ba't ang dala?
Here na. Here na.
What's up?
Ay, later na.
Daman.
L. Apples. L. Put here. L. Like this.
L.
L. Then E. S. Like this. Friends. Like that.
Friends.
Like that. S. His friends gave him some what? Some foods. Like this. F. Okay, you write F. Later na ba? Later na. Okay, foods. Like his. Like his. F. Sige, F. Sige na. His friends gave him some.
Nami ba?
No. Go back din dito. Lakaw din dito. F. Lakaw mo dito ba kay dili siya gusto ang daghan tao. F. Letter F. You write here letter F. Like this. F.
Hair.
No, that's letter H.
F.
Like this.
Ama na, F.
Kani ang letter F.
F.
Like that. Then O. Letter O. Like this. Like this. Like this. Letter O. No! Here. Another letter O. Like that. Pariha na. Another letter O. Then letter D. Like this O. Like this. Then letter S. Like this.
S.
The people like his bag. Letter B. B. Like this, oh.
Bad?
Bug. Bug. Like this. Oh, kani. Like dog. B.
B.
Put it here. B. Then letter A. Like this. Like this, oh. Letter A. And then G. Like this.
Go.
Then letter S.
S. F. Kakaiwa!
Arte po mo. Right here. They offered him money. Sige, M. Letter M. Like this. M. O. Like this. O. O. Like this. O. I must say N. N. E. Then letter Y. Like this.
Y.
Layla ko sa'yo. Hindi, fix up. Ayun sa
Ouch!
Hey. Kita na kayo.